PhenQ ingredients. Capsimax powder. A blend of capsicum, piperine, caffeine and niacin make up the fat-blasting power of Capsimax powder. Both the capsicum pepper plant and piperine have strong thermogenic properties which can help you slim down by turning up your body heat. By increasing thermogenesis, these two ingredients enable you to burn more body fat. It's also been suggested that piperine may even have the ability to stop the formation of new fat cells. Calcium carbonate. Calcium isn't just good for your bones. It may also help you maintain a healthy weight. Studies have suggested that calcium can encourage your cells to store less fat by telling them your body is well nourished and no longer needs to store fat. Instead, your cells burn their stored fat, meaning you can shift that excess weight much more quickly. Chromium picolinate. An essential natural mineral found in meat, vegetables and whole grains, chromium helps curb your sugar and carb cravings by helping your body control your blood sugar levels. When you eat foods containing sugar, such as carbs, the sugar is absorbed into your blood and carried to your cells to be used for energy. When your cells have enough sugar, you stop craving it. Chromium helps your cells take in as much sugar as possible, which means you'll experience far less carb and sugar cravings, making losing weight much easier. Caffeine. There's a good reason why you'll find caffeine in so many weight loss supplements and energy drinks. As a stimulant, its ability to increase alertness, focus and reduce fatigue are well known. It can also help you feel less hungry, boost the fat-burning process by increasing thermogenesis, and help you to get more out of your exercise routine by improving your performance. Nopal. The nopal cactus is high in fiber, helping you gain more control over your hunger. It's also extremely rich in amino acids, providing you with much-needed energy through your weight loss journey, as well as helping reduce extra weight caused by fluid retention by helping flush fluids from your tissues into your bloodstream. L-carnitine fumarate. The naturally occurring amino acid L-PhenQ 2010 carnitine is found in foods such as red meat, nuts and green vegetables. It helps your body turn its fat stores into energy, meaning you'll not only burn fat but combat the tiredness often caused by dieting too. Don't forget to like our video.